We just finished our review of the excellent Sony 50-150mm f2.GM lens, and a description to that video is below. We took thousands of images with that lens in order to test it, but you can't fit all those images in a video review, so we thought we'd do a slideshow here. The video has portraits, sports, wildlife, and editorial coverage, but I want to note, the editorial coverage is from the Indivisible Hands Off March in New York City, which was a protest against the current administration. But if you're not in the mood to see anything political right now, maybe skip this video and go and just watch the main review, which only has a couple of images from the protest. Also, there's curse words on a lot of the signs, which in the other video we blurred out, but in this video we've left them in place. It's also probably not a great video for children, although babies should be okay because babies can't read. There's been almost no adjustment to these images. Some of them we bumped up the exposure a bit because things tend to get really dark on YouTube. Also, YouTube's image quality is not the best thanks to all the compression, so these images are really even better in real life than they will be on your screen. With that, here's a couple hundred images from the Sony FE 50mm to 150mm f2 G Master lens. We hope you enjoy.